now at the Mirrorless Grove, where one of the houses for rent is located. Mirrorless Grove is one of the latest development inside Marville. It is a low density and well secured and flood-free community. Okay, it has lots of open spaces and it's very peaceful here. Now the house for rent is that duplex over there facing the park. Okay, and this is the parking for the visitors, and right over there are the residential areas. There are only 3 streets here, roughly less than 100 or even maximum of 60 houses here. And then here we are. This is the park, and this is the unit that is available for rent. It's a duplex type. Here we have a 1-car garage, a small garden there, and the service area. Now we go inside. So inside, this is the living area. It has its own split type air conditioning unit, a full-size kitchen, and the dining area. Okay. And then this is the bathroom downstairs. And then this is the maid's room. And it has an access here at the toilet downstairs. Now we go up. We're going up to the second level, where the 3 bedrooms are located. So this is the shared toilet and bath on the second floor. The 3rd bedroom with cabinet and provision for a split window type air conditioning unit. Here's the 2nd bedroom with cabinets. And then this is the master's bedroom with split type AC, and it has its own toilet and bath with cabinet as well. And then the view is the park. So this house is open for rent. The asking rental fee is 50,000. Minimum 1-year contract, 2 months deposit, 1 month advance, and balance post-dated check. It's ready for occupancy. Okay. So if you have any queries or some concerns regarding the house, please let me know. This house will not last in the marketplace. For any concerns, just send me a direct message.